Hey, this is Matt from SoLux. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the form builder section in SoLux theme sections. The form builder section is really awesome because it takes the existing Shopify form and allows you to build real awesome forms on top of it. So if you wanted to create like a survey or a multi-step form to learn about your customer, this is a great way to do that without a ton of work. Um, but before we get started, I want to just mention that, like I said, this is built on top of the existing contact forms that Shopify provides. The same thing you could write if you knew some liquid or if you grabbed kind of the default contact us form. So it's built on top of that. So it kind of files all the same patterns as the default Shopify form. So, for example, when you submit this form, you'll get an email, and that email will go to the default email you have on file with Shopify. It's a question I get all the time is, this is awesome. You can build forms, but where does it go? And the answer is it goes to your default Shopify email. So if that's set up properly, you will get these form submissions. But let's quickly jump into it so I can show you how this works. I'm going to publish it and I'm going to jump out to the customizer. And on the home page, I'm going to go and add a brand new form builder. And out of the box, you get kind of a two-step form that has enter your name and enter your email. It has all the same design settings that you have in all the existing Solux theme sections, but you have some extra settings around air color and form design, text box border, etc. So you can do a lot to kind of make it your own. You can also hand style all the buttons as well. But let's really focus in on building the form itself. And to do that, what you're going to be doing is adding blocks. We already get you started with a bunch of preset blocks. How this works is that each uh, content area of a form occurs within a step. So this one has two steps, step one, step two. And there's also special steps for your success and error messages. So you can, for example, in this one, we have a message called success, and it says this is the message that shows when a successful form submission occurs. Um, so you can kind of configure the success message that shows up at the end of the process as well. Um, but just to kind of walk you through this, you have your content. This is like your pieces up here, and then you have your form fields. This enter your name is the name form field, and this is just a place to have the name. You can set them to required or not required, and you can show a label or not show a label. So pretty simple. I'm just going to show you really quick how to create a new field. So I'm going to hit address. I'm going to create an address field and a label, and I'm just going to say enter your address. And that's showing up here because it's in the other step. So I'm just going to drag it into this step. And now you'll see that this step has um, two fields. And so let's just save this and we're going to jump out and submit the form. So I'm going to click view, go out to the site. You're going to see you have two steps now. If I hit next, you see these two are required. I'm going to hit my name and sample address. And hit next, I'm going to type in my email address and hit submit. And you'll see that you get the success message here. And then in a little bit, I will receive an email to my email I've on file for the shop with the results of the contact form. So that's just a quick walkthrough of how to use the form builder from SoLux. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I'll get right back to you.